Round of very heavy rain is possible across the Carolinas. Good Sunday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young. You're looking at the total precipitation from the Doppler radar over the past 7 days, and you can see most of the heavy rain has fallen across eastern North Carolina. Anywhere in yellow have seen over 2 inches of rain the past week, but the heaviest rain has been located along I-95 and points east along the coastal plain. As a matter of fact, anywhere in red, it's seen over 5 inches of rain. And as you move towards the Outer Banks, there are some areas that have seen over 10 to 20 inches of rain over the past couple of days. These areas cannot receive much more rain. However, there is another system that is coming that's going to be bringing in some more rain. The good news is portions of the western part of the state that hasn't seen as much rain may finally get in on the action. So here's looking at the upper level features, and notice that there is a big area of high pressure located just off the coastline, and out to the west there's an upper level trough. This will allow for moisture to stream northward through the Carolinas, and this pattern kind of holds all through this work week. This is by Friday, and notice how that pattern in general is still holding, so those shower and thunderstorm chances remain high. As we move into Monday, notice the surge of moisture coming in from the south. Winds will be coming directly from the south, and even as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday, we continue to see those waves of moisture. The heaviest actual precipitable water values will be located right along the I-95 corridor, but everyone across the Carolinas will be receiving this chance of heavy rain as we move through the week. So here is from the GFS computer model, and this is as we move through the overnight hours and into tomorrow. It looks like for Monday the heaviest rain will be once again concentrated across eastern North Carolina, but there will finally start to be some showers and storms all across the western part of the state. As we move into Tuesday, that's whenever the western part of the state really sees its best chance at rain. This is in the morning hours, and notice how the rain is already starting to develop. That rain could actually be heavy in times across the mountains and foothills. And as we move into Wednesday, that rain continues, and that's when we could get some flooding concerns. As we move into Thursday, notice how those showers and storms continue to develop. They will be concentrated in the afternoon, evening, and overnight hours as we move into Friday and your weekend, but there will still be those chances of showers and storms lasting all through the weekend. So here's your Futurecast radar, and you can see those showers and storms continuing through the overnight hours. As we move through tomorrow, notice how this is at 1 o'clock and this is at 4 o'clock. Notice how those showers and thunderstorms are still located across the eastern part of the state. But as we go through the evening hours, there's a surge of moisture coming, and that will allow those showers and storms to really develop, especially across the western part of the state for Tuesday. And as we move through the overnight hours on Tuesday into Wednesday morning, notice how those showers still remain. So how much rain is expected? Some computer models are indicating that most areas could see another 3 to 5 inches of rain through the next 7 days. This is the GFS computer model, and anywhere in red is north of 2 inches of rain from this system. So instead of the heaviest rain being along the coast like it has been, it looks like that kind of shifts west in this new pattern, and we see some heavier rains falling across the mountains and foothills, some areas that do need the rain. Any rain, though, that does fall on the coastal plains could lead to flooding, and that same goes true for the mountains and foothills. There will be some very heavy downpours, and I'm expecting some flooding concerns as we move into the middle of the week. I'll continue to keep you updated on any changes that may occur. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young.